Welcome back. This is an important session, so please pay attention to this. As I told you in the overview, I have developed the course to ingest COVID-19 related data directly from the ECDC website. But ECDC have made some changes to the datasets that we're using in this data course. The change happened on the 17th of December. You can read about the change in their website, but in summary, the frequency of the data ECDC were making available has changed from daily to weekly. As a result, the structure of the file has also changed to include week numbers instead of dates. Having said that, I want your journey on this course to be as easy as possible. So I have created a Git repository with the data that I use to demonstrate this course. I would like you to use that data rather than the data directly from the ECDC website. This is so that you can follow along with me while doing the course and your journey is as pleasant as possible. Once you finish the course, please feel free to make the changes to use the new data available from ECDC. My Git repository is in this URL. I also updated the forthcoming sessions to highlight this change so that it's easier for you to follow. Let me show you the Git repository first and then also show you the changes that apply to the course, so that it's clear to you what's changed. Here we are in my Git repository. And the repository is COVID-19. And under that, I've got all the resources that I used for this project. But the main thing we are talking about is the ECDC data folder. So within that, I've got the 5 files we need in order to implement this project. You don't even need to come into Git repository to get these files. I provide the link for these files specifically in the course videos. And you just need to specify them in your Data Factory link services. And they'll come and get the file from here. So you don't need to log into GitHub or you don't need to even come in here. These files have been made available public for everyone to pull it. So instead of referring to the ECDC website, you will just refer to this URL and then you'll get the files. Once you've got the files, you don't need to worry about it. Because the files are there and there are no more changes afterwards actually. Because we will just be working on the files you pulled into the data lake. And this is what I wanted to discuss with you. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.